Hello. So here is what they mean on Khan Academy when they say partial products. So it says use partial products to multiply 85 times 61, and they stack it up here. And then they've got all this stuff underneath. So this is actually the same thing that you have done many times before with the area model. So if I was going to do the area model, I would say 85 and 61. 85 and 61, same as the numbers over here. And we would say 60 times 80 is 4,800. And you can notice that this is the same, 4,800. And they are saying 60 times 8 tens. 8 tens, of course, is 80. So this down here, this whole bit here, is the same as this bit here. So let's see, we do 5 times 60, which we would say is 300. And you can see that 300 right here. 5 ones, that's 5. 5 times 60, so same thing. 5 times 1 is 5. And that is right here. 5 times 5 ones. 1 times 5 is 5. And this last part, it says 1 times 8. They're referring here to 1 times 8 is 80. And this drop down menu over here, this little arrow guy, you're going to click that. And what they want to say is, well, this is 8 tens. Because what we know that 8 really is 80. So 80 times 1 is 80. So you would do the drop down menu, make that be 10, put in the 80, and then of course, just like the area model over here where we have to add everything up, you still have to add everything up. So 4,800 plus 300 plus 80 plus 5, again, are the exact same numbers as these guys. I wrote them in reverse order, but we can still add them. So it looks like 5,185. You'd put 5,185 here in the box. They might have some different versions that look slightly different, but what you need to remember is anytime you see partial products, the area model was also partial products. It's just set up in a grid instead of in a stack. Okay, hope that helps.